Viewers, the latest news about Ethiopia, Amhara, and Tigray region is that Ethiopia ordered 5, or some sources says that 7 United Staff member to leave the country within 72 hours. Reports coming that the Ministry of Foreign Affairs of the Federal Democratic Republic of Ethiopia present its complaints to the Office for Coordination of Humanitarian Affairs in Ethiopia and has the honor to inform the latter that the person whose name listed below is declared persona non grata for meddling in the internal affairs of the country and therefore must leave the territory of Ethiopia within the next 72 hours. And the Ministry of Foreign Affairs of the Federal Democratic Republic of Ethiopia avails itself of this opportunity to renew to the Office for Coordination of Humanitarian Affairs in Ethiopia the assurance of its highest consideration. Viewers, on the other hand, according to the latest reports, the ongoing war on the Afar-Tigray border is escalating, and the war is now raging in the Afar region. Ethiopia and its allies thought they would re-enter the Tigray region from the Afar border and start fighting again inside the Tigray region. But now the situation is the opposite, as the war is now escalating in the Afar region instead of the Tigray region. According to the Tigray Defense Force repelled the attacks by government forces and its allies who are trying to attack the Tigray Defense Force and pushing them back into the Afar region. The war reportedly caused a lot of damage, and both sides are still using more and more heavy weapons to win the war. On the other hand, furious fighting is also going on in the South Volo region and the South Gondar between the government forces and the Tigray forces. According to reports, heavy war is continues from Nifas Mechiu to Debre Zabit, especially in Gant district. The Ethiopian National Defense Force said it was at the forefront of the ongoing war in southeastern Gondar, especially in Ibnat, Gawada, and Sabakio. On the other hand, the Tigray Defense Force claimed that the Tigray Defense Force has won major victories against the Ethiopian National Defense Force and its allies between Nifas Machu and Debre Zabit. On the other hand, heavy weapons are being shifted by the Tigray Defense Force to the war zones in Amhara and Afar region. A video has been shared by the Tigray Defense Force showing heavy weapons being moved to battlefields. You can watch this video on your screen. Thanks for watching.
واروح عبيت حد غيره يبقى ليش اقول احنا نقول